Hey guys, so I am going to be doing an unboxing of the Ekster wallet that Ekster sent me. So thank you, Ekster, for sponsoring this video, and I'll go ahead and get right into it. So came in this package. You get 2 items with your purchase. This is Ekster, Ekster. It says on the back of this one, thank you for choosing us to improve your everyday carry. So I'm really excited about this wallet. It looks really cool on their website. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. So this is the first package. This piece is your tracker card. So this is what that tracker card looks like. I'll go ahead and pull it out and show you. So it looks like a credit card pretty much. It's the same size, similar width, a little thicker than a credit card, and it has this little button here. So the instructions say to download the Chipolo app from the App Store or Google Play Store, spelled Chipolo. So that is the app that you use to pair this device to your phone in the app. And I went through that process, saw what that looked like, and it's pretty cool. It's basically you through Bluetooth, you can pair it, and then it tracks the location of this little card. And if you have this in your wallet, then you can find your lost wallet or stolen wallet and where it is. If you lose it in the room or something, or leave it somewhere, you can set it off so it will ring. And you can also use the card to find your phone as well, and vice versa. So that is pretty cool that you have a way of tracking your wallet through this little card. Looks like a credit card, fits in your wallet like a credit card. So that's pretty cool. So the second box is right here, and this has the wallet in it. So we'll go ahead and open that piece as well. Slide off the top. And here's the wallet. So I chose the black leather option, very similar to my style. I like black leather items. So it has their little emblem on the front. Nice, clean, black, sleek, modern look to it. I really like that. So it feels nice and soft. I like the weight of it. The weight feels really nice. It's a nice size. It fits nicely in my palm. Great for holding it. And so what it is, you can use this little lever here at the bottom, and that is how you access your cards. So you press that lever and your cards pop up. And it's really nice because you can see, your different cards. It's not like they all pop up at once and you got to pull them all out and figure out which card you need and then put them all back in. You can see your cards right there, and you can pick out which one you need, slide it back in, and they all slide in real nicely. So that's a really nice feature. I like that. No matter how you're holding the card, you can just press that little lever at the bottom, any of your fingers, put it back in. So that is really nice. That functions well. I like that feature. I think that's pretty cool. So now let's move on to inside the wallet. So this opens up. I think the only thing so far that I would wish differently would be if I had a way to attach this flap, whether it's a little strap that buttons or a magnet or something that would hold this flap down so it wouldn't move around so much. But once you get inside the wallet, you have 2 pockets here inside. So business cards, more credit cards, cash, you can put those there. There's also this strap in the middle that stretches out, so you can put cards, cash there. So I would probably keep my cash there. So that's what I would use in that location. And then again, you can still access your cards either way. It looks like you can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards in the slot area at the top, and I really like that snap down. That's nice. And then you have your 2 pockets on the inside here, and you also have on the back 1 pocket here. So I think I don't have that many cards that I use all the time. So for an everyday carry kind of thing like this, I think six slots in the wallet is plenty for me. And then some space to put a cash, maybe a couple business cards if I need it. That would be really easy. So if you want to keep your tracker card in here, you have a couple options. So you can slide it on in one of the pockets here, but again, it doesn't really close very easy. And when you add the thickness of that tracker card, I don't think that fits as well there. So I probably wouldn't keep it there. I would keep it probably in the back, I think is the best spot for that, just because if you take out some of these cards, and you'd probably have to take out a couple of those, you'd have to take out at least 3 cards would be my guess. And then you could fit the tracker in there, but it doesn't slide very smoothly, and then it doesn't work well with the lever. So yeah, you definitely don't want to keep your tracker in the card location. I would place it in the back of the wallet here. So that would be where I would keep that one, and I don't need to access it at all, really, unless I lose my phone. So that's where I would keep that. And then what's nice about this, so all 6 cards, if they're in there, would fill up that space with the wallet. But say you only want to keep a couple cards. You only have a couple credit cards you want to keep in there. They still stay nicely. So even though I only have 3 cards in there right now, it still stays nicely in the slot, still slides out nicely when you press that lever. So that's really nice. I like that. It's nice that you don't have to fill up the card holder area to utilize that space. So I think that functions really nice. I think that's a really nice feature. I think the only downfalls would be that the tracker card doesn't really have a great spot to fit. In the back it works, but because it's so thick, it can't fit in with the other cards. And because that front flap doesn't have anything securing it, it can't really fit in there very well. It would hold it open too much. Those would be the only downfalls. But overall, I really like the construction. I like this style, the look of it. I think it's really clean and sleek and modern. And I love the size of it, and the construction of the card compartment with the easy access. So I think that's pretty cool and really convenient. So overall, I think it's a really great wallet. I think it's really stylish, and I will definitely be using it in my everyday carry. I think it'll fit nicely and be really convenient and small, and just kind of the everyday things that you need all in one convenient location. So go ahead and check out Ekster on Instagram and give them a follow and check out their really cool wallets.